Jesus, in the midst of the storm, he says, "Quiet, be still." And there was a great calm. And so we also have to have great calmness in all that we do. My theme today is about God's love for us, and it can never be canceled. You know, when we have a lot of things are being canceled around here, God's love for us has never been canceled, and God is always with us. When you start thinking about it, all of the things that we can sometimes get caught up in, we have to know that God's love is permanent and eternal, and it's something that can never be erased. Well, God's love for us, he showed it in so many ways. Not only did he create us, but he gave us Jesus, his son, who is our Redeemer. What great love Jesus had for us, dying on the cross. And during this time of Lent, we also know that we walk on that journey with Christ. When we really look at God's great love for us also, he sends us that Holy Spirit who lives with us each and every one of us, but each day he lives with us. That Holy Spirit inspires us. And there's so many people who are reaching out with love that is never canceled, especially in times when we are in crisis. But also know that God does not abandon us. He loves us each day of our lives. And so today, live in God's love, but also know that God's love for you is never canceled.